Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome again to Mathematics and I. It is your favorite presenter, Jeff Nino, and today we are expanding x plus y or cube. And from the expansion, we are going to derive the formula for x raised to the power 3 plus y raised to the power of 3. Okay, how can we expand x plus y cube? I'll be using two methods. First is this, okay? When you say x plus y all raised to the power of 3, it simply means x plus y and another x plus y and x plus y. Okay, because the cube here means x plus y repeats 3 times. Now this is what we're going to do. First, let us multiply these first two brackets. Now opening the first two brackets, we have x times x gives us x squared plus x times y gives us xy plus y times x also gives us xy and y times y gives us y squared. All brackets x plus y. Okay, now from this point we are going to have this. Okay, here becomes x squared. Xy plus xy gives us plus 2xy plus y squared or x plus y. Alright, okay, now that we have simplified x plus y in the first two brackets, now we are going to use the third bracket to multiply this bracket now, and so we're going to get this. Okay, x squared times x gives us x cubed, okay, plus x squared times y gives us x squared y, okay, x squared y, sorry, then plus 2x times x gives us, 2xy times x gives us 2 rather, okay, it gives us 2x squared y, okay, and plus 2xy times y gives us 2xy squared, okay, plus y squared times x gives us y squared x or xy squared, any of it, and plus y squared times y gives us y cubed. Okay, now this is what we are going to do. From this point, we're going to have this x cubed, okay, plus y cubed because they have same powers. Okay, now we have x squared y plus 2x squared y. They are the same. So, but the x squared y here is carrying just 1. So 1 plus 2 gives us 3. So it means x squared y plus 2x squared y gives us 3x squared y. Okay, now plus, now 2xy squared plus y squared x also gives us 3xy squared. Okay, okay, now this is what we're going to do. Here we have this. Okay, x plus y all raised to the power of 3 is equal to x cubed plus y cubed. Okay, now 3x squared y plus 3x squared, plus 3xy squared has 3xy in common. It has 3xy in common. So if I bring it out, 3xy, which they have in common, and then I open a bracket. Okay, now if I take 3xy from this first expression, I'll be left with just x, because here we have x squared, so I will have x plus, now if I take 3xy away from 3xy squared, I'll be left with just y plus y. Alright, so it means the expanded form of x plus y raised to the power of 3 will give us x raised to the power of 3 plus y raised to the power of 3 plus 3xy into the bracket of x plus y. Now class, from this formula, we can see that we can make x cube plus y cube, which is what we are told to find here, the solution of the formula. And how can we do that? It means 3xy bracket x plus y goes to the left hand side of the equation, so that x cubed plus y cubed will be left alone. Now, if 3xy and x plus y crosses the equality sign, so we're going to be having x plus y all raised to the power of 3 minus 3xy into the bracket of x plus y equal to what do we have left now? X raised to the power of 3 plus y raised to the power of 3. You see, from this we got the formula for x cubed plus y cubed, which is what we were also told to show after we have expanded this. Okay, now this is one method that you can use to expand x plus y all raised to the power of 3. Now another method, which is a quicker method for also expanding this, is using Pascal triangle. I think this is faster and shorter. And how can you apply Pascal triangle, in expanding x plus y all raised to the power of 3? Now, I will show you right about now. But before I proceed, if this is the first time joining us, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to share our videos. Okay, now let us see how we can use Pascal triangle in expanding x plus y or cube. Okay. Alright, now let us proceed. If you notice, the power we have now is 3. So we're going to bring out our Pascal triangle, and our Pascal triangle begins from 1. Okay, and then we have 1, 1, and then we have 1, 2, 1, and then we have 1. 1 plus 2 gives me 3. 2 plus 1 gives me 3. And what do I have? 1. So here, we are going to be making use of the fourth row. Because why? The first is 0, the second is 1, the third is 2, and the fourth is what? Third. So, because the power we are using is 3, we are going to be using the what? The first row. Okay, now, how can we make use of 1, 3, 3, 1 in solving or in expanding this expression x plus y all raised to the power of 3? Now, this is what we're going to do. Now, we already know that we are making use of, 1, 3, 3, 1 as our coefficients. All of these that you see here are the coefficients of what we are going to be working with. So now let's see what we are going to do. Okay, let us begin. Now we are expanding x plus y all cubed. Okay, this is what we're going to do now. Watch. Now the first coefficient I have is 1. So I'll bring out my 1. Then what do I have here? X. Now x carries the power of 3. So here becomes x raised to the power of 3. Now the sign I have here is plus. Now because we have a plus sign here, it means all through our solving we are going to be using positive signs alone. So here becomes plus. Now the next coefficient I have is 3. Now I will give my 3. Okay, now what is happening is this: as I am progressing, the power of x is reducing and the power of y is increasing. Now, at this first place, there is no y because at the first point, y has a power of 0. And we all know that any raised power 0 is 1. So that is the reason why there is no y here. So now, in the second part, y has to appear because now y is having a power of 1. Are you with me? Now, when y is having the power of 1, the power of x reduces from 3 to 2. So here becomes 3x raised to the power 2, and then we have y raised to the power 1. Okay. Now, plus the next coefficient I have again is 3. So again, x power reduced from 2 to 1, and then y power increased from 1 to 2. You see, it is an inverse relationship. As the power of x reduces, the power of y increases. And then plus, I have my last coefficient, which is 1. Now, at this last point, there will be no what? X, because why? The power of x reduces from 1 to 0. And then this raised power 0 is 1, so there is no need to also include x in it. So here it becomes 1y. Now, the power of y increases from 2 to 3. Okay, good. So for us to analyze this, it means our answer here is 1x raised to the power 3 is the same as x raised to the power 3, and here becomes plus 3x raised to the power 2y, because y raised to the power 1 is y, nothing more. Plus, here also is 3xy raised to the power 2, because x raised to the power 1 is x, nothing more. Plus, here, 1y raised to the power 3 also gives us y raised to the power of 3. So from this place, you see, we can say x raised to the power 3 plus y raised to the power 3. Now, plus they both have 3xy in common. So I'll have 3xy, and then I'll open a bracket. And if 3xy should live here, I'll be left with just x. Plus, if 3xy should live here, I will be left with just y, which is the same answer we got when we, use x plus y, x plus y, x plus y into 3 places. And from this place again, with these questions to the other side, we'll get the formula for what? X cubed plus y cubed. So class, this is how we've come to the end of today's section, and you have seen how we can use 2 ways in expanding x plus y, or raised to the power of 3. And also you have seen what is the formula for x cubed plus y cubed. So class, we have come to the end of today's section. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being with me. So till we meet again in our next class, don't forget, keep on watching Mathematics and I. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share our videos. Bye for now.